Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brahim and we're going to look into Freetrade. Now Freetrade, if you don't know, it's a free broker, one of many free brokers in the UK, and a lot of things they've been doing to make their service a lot better, because it's always been, being honest, lagging behind Trading 212, which has been slightly more popular, slightly more better in terms of UI, features and other things. But Freetrade is kicking and still fighting for that number one spot in the UK. So what have they done recently in like the last month or so? First thing they've done, instant bank transfers are here. Now that's really important. Say it's 2:30, market's open, you see a stock and you want to buy it at specifically 3 o'clock, but you don't have money in your account. You can deposit money, but wait, before you couldn't do instant transfers, you'd be waiting 2 to 3 days before the money would go to the account. Now, if you need to buy something on the day and you don't even care, you want it now, you want it now. Doesn't matter, you couldn't have the money today. With instant bank transfers, whether free or not free, if you needed it, it wasn't an offer. Now, instant bank transfers are here, and it's been here since the 30th of March, so not too long. We know you've been waiting a couple of hours for your bank transfers. Some people waiting days, but hours, yeah. So they're excited to bring it. You can now add cash to your account in seconds with unlimited and free bank transfers. You see that? As much as you want, free, 24/7. You want to put money in your account 3 in the morning? You can put it 3 in the morning. Of course, markets don't open till 8 o'clock in the UK and 2:30 in America. But you know what? The option's there. You can add cash in seconds. If your cash hasn't appeared instantly, your money's always safe, or unable to process your transfer instantly if, and then they explain some issues, but realistically you're not going to have those issues, being real. Second thing, they still have the ISA offer. So open an ISA, get a free share of £50 when you transfer 5k by the 18th of April. So you still have 1 week from today. Today's the 9th of April, as of recording of the video at least. You still have to the 18th of April if you want a free share, open an ISA. Everything's an ISA with an ISA. Easy way to remember it. ISA, tax-free, capital gains. Your dividends, they're not taxed. You can put 20k per year, tax-free. Remember, tax-free. And also, when you sign up, all you need to do is deposit £1 and you get a free share. So 2 free shares for depositing 5k. First share between £3 and £200, and the second share worth £50. So potentially up to £250 of free stock for depositing 5k. I think that's quite good. I mean, that's more than 5. That's up to like 5% back for your stock. 5% back. That's like half the year returns from an index fund, let's say S&P 500 or something, 10-year annualized returns. We know that you can get up to 5% back for your stock just for depositing this. Seems like a good offer. Last thing, Freetrade has SIPP. Now I did mention this briefly on the channel. SIPP, self-invested pension plans. Now, self-invested, this means you invest yourself, no one else is managing it for you, you invest in yourself. Pensions, this is money you put aside for you to retire. In the UK, I believe it's 55, you can access it. If you want to take it out earlier, expect to be hit with crazy fees. We're not talking small fees, we're talking like 55% of it will be feed with a withdrawal, and then you're going to get taxes. It's just not a smart plan. If you put money in your pension, say goodbye to the money and don't touch it until you're retired. Really, just don't. And then plans. Anyway, so that's what self-invested pension plans are. Give your pensions a new home with our fixed low-cost account. Now, of course, they have fees for the SIPP, but I think I'd rather manage my own funds actively or passively with like some sort of ETF or whatever than leave it in a pension for hedge funds to gamble with the money and maybe not even see it make a decent return or grow in capital by the time I retire. So if you really do have a pension and you want to manage it, go Freetrade, open one and just start managing your capital from there. Being honest, I think it's a good idea. And you got this little video. I'm going to play. It's about 12 seconds. Got a little portfolio here. SIPP, $9.99 a month, so 120 quid a year minus a couple pennies, and boom, you can control your own pensions. This is what recently has been done via Freetrade, and I think it's amazing. They already generated 50 million in like financing earlier on. I covered that also, but I love all the features that they're adding. So Freetrade, I don't know if you've seen this video, just keep doing the amazing things you're offering, because I really think one day you can be the better broker than Trading 212.